to the channel, guys. My name is Mike, and today we are going to go over a very familiar stock that we have traded several times to this channel, and this stock is pretty much getting ready to take off. It has been building its bottom for a while now, and I think it is great time to start building your position in it. I have started building my position, and I think it is still a very good amount of time left to build your position. The stock doesn't take off really quickly, so you have a lot of time to still get in and get your money in the right place and make a nice return. This stock, of course, is none other than Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. I know a lot of you guys are very familiar with this company. Maybe a lot of you don't know exactly what they do, but we are pretty familiar with this cybersecurity company. ARK has just been dumping all their money into this stock at 24 bucks, and right now it's still on a discount, trading right under $19 a share still. And I think it is a perfect opportunity to get in, make some nice return on your money very soon before it takes off. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. I want to go over this video pretty quickly and go over the stock, where to buy, where to sell, all the technical analysis you need to know for this company, this stock, and trade and make your position worthwhile your money. So with that said, guys, make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Come check out my Patreon page. Come join us, come trade with us, make a nice return on your money with us, and I'd be happy to help you guys out with any questions you have as well. I do have a mentorship program for my stock group. Come and check that out. All those links can be found in the description box below. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let us check out what is going on with Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. As we can see, the whole market has gone to poop, and everything pretty much, including Palantir, has been going down. This is a stage 4 decline, massive decline. We are finally starting our stage 1. This is a nice stage 1. If this holds, of course, it looks like it's going to hold, and it is starting to get bullish. If we cross this 20-day moving average and the 5 trades above the 20-day, which is the blue line right here, we trade above the 20, the 5 over the 20, we are extremely bullish. That is going to be a very bullish target right there. I think around 19.25 is your bullish target right here. If we hit this very soon, this stock is going to go berserk, right? This stock will go up massively, and we are going to have a nice profit coming in. All right, as we can see, all right, we already got the MACD crossing over, TSI crossing over, histogram shifting towards momentum and going upwards. These are all pretty much very bullish signs, and we do have a box forming, right? Which is exactly what we need. We need this box forming here, just like we had box forming here and box forming there, and of course another box forming here and here. These are all how markets flow, all right? How markets trade. They work in stages. We got your stage 2 breakout. First you get your stage 1, right? You get your stage 2 breakout, stage 3, and then of course we have your stage 4 again, followed by another stage 1, stage 2 breakout right there. All right, another stage 3, and of course your mega stage 4 decline. And right now we are back into a stage 1, and it does look like it is holding. Look at that. Last time it took about a month for this stage to build up. All right, stage 1 took about a month. All right, don't be surprised if this takes a few extra weeks or days or month to get build up. All right, people are going to consistently add shares here everywhere, right? We're gonna be adding all over the place, right? Until they're finally said, all right, enough. We gotta push this stock up. The hedge funds control most of the money, not us retail traders. We all know that, and it's going to start going up. And our sole purpose is to get where the bottom is, right? Stage 1. That's where you need to be buying your shares in the stage 1 category. All right, RSI has been oversold several times here, and we have been holding this box pretty nicely right here, and I am pretty excited about this. I really like where this stock is headed. I think if this stage 1 holds right here, if it holds, we could see it going
up very nicely. Where is my target? I'm not too crazy. I'm taking about 23, 24 is ideal. That's where I would start shedding off my shares. This is an ideal area to start selling your shares, right? Once we go into our stage 2 breakout, this is where I see ideally a stage 3 forming before our next stage 4, right? It could just continue going up to this is another stage 1 from stage 3 to stage 1 and another stage 2 breakout, right? There's no reason why the stock can't consistently keep going up, right? I'm not saying it won't, and I'm also not saying it will, right? But if I were to start selling my shares, my target would be between $23 to $24. If we continue rallying, I can see that 27 would be the next area that this stock could be headed, right? It's been doing this several times, but unfortunately, this stock has been making lower lows each time, right? It's not making higher highs. It's just making lower lows, right? Every time it's just going 27, then breaking, 29, breaking, 26, breaking. It's just making lower lows. It's not making higher lows, right? If it was making higher lows, that means the stock would finally break out of 27, 29 and go to 30, 40 bucks, right? Like here, we had a crazy breakout. Right now, it's just making lower lows every time, right? Look at that. Last time, 17. That's why I think 17 will hold, and we should be pretty safe here, or adding around here, right? Maybe paying $1 or $2 more than the bottom is, which was 17, 18 bucks, but I think we still have a lot of time to build our position. 18, 19 bucks is just nothing compared to our target, right? We want to make about a 24% return, all right? If we buy around 18, 19 bucks, let's say you buy at 19, right? You don't even buy at 18. You buy at 19 and you sell around 23, 24. That's still pretty good, right? This is how much your return is going to be at, about a 24% return. Let's say even 20% return. That's not bad. 20% return money. None of your savings account is going to pay you that, right? So having a 20% return is decent. If we can break 23, let's say we can somehow break it and it goes to 26.7, that's about a 39-40% return on your money. That's like doubling your percentages just by breaking out a few dollars, right? Just a few dollars more, that's a massive breakout. 10 bucks a share almost, making return on your money. I think it's doable. We just have to have enough numbers come in, all right? It's not doable right now because the stock has just been making lower lows every time and lower highs. It's making lower highs every time. It's not making higher highs every time. If it was making higher highs, it will break that 29, right? But last time it stopped at 27 and bounced and had a massive heart attack. Right, this is a massive heart attack, right? From 27 dropping to 24. That's exactly the type of bar we need up, right? Like this time, boom, 25, couldn't hold, broke back down. But the next few days, it started going back, broke the 25, went to 26, then 27, then crushed by the market. The market just crushed everybody in this stock, right? And we have been following. This is our way of trading. We play the stages. This is not a long-term stock yet. It hasn't showed its true potential as being a cash flow positive company. It's just been a cash negative company. All they do is keep reporting losses. And the CEO has been nothing but selling shares at a massive amount, right? So it's like as if the CEO doesn't even believe in his own company because he dumps millions of shares every time it goes around $25, $6, 24 actually. He starts dumping shares at around $24. We need to be ahead of this guy and start dumping before this guy dumps it on us. And between 23, 24 is where I think is a time to get out, right? If we go to tip ranks, they think it's around $23. I'm not too off. I think 23, 24 is fair value for this company. So about a 20% return is ideal. We are starting to have a nice bullish return the past few days. It's just been steadily going down the past month. The whole market has, but the past 5 days, Palantir has been recovering nicely, having only a low of only 1787 on December 20th, which was just a few days ago. But we are going to be breaking that very soon. It could take a few days, weeks, or another month, just like this did. This took a full month and a half almost, and it was ready to go, and it took off like a missile, right? It just went so let's say this guy, whoever actually rode this up to the top, made a nice 30+% return on his money, right? And then he got dumped down and lost about 18% if he kept it. But if you did keep it and you ran it back up, that's another 14%. If you got in, you played the stage again correctly, oversold territory, you played the stage 1 correctly, you broke out in stage 2. Even let's say you bought here, right? Trading right above the 20, 5 trading above the 20, you bought right here and sold it around right here. That's still a 7% return, right? And same here, right? Let's say you missed this bottom and you bought right here, right when the 5 broke above the 20, and you held and you were just buying and started selling right here, right? Right over here, you made about a 20% return on your money. So don't be so reluctant. You know this stock just is dead once it broke the 20-day moving average. It went from here, and it just had a massive dump. You had to get out right there. Right there, you had to be out of this stock because it broke the 20. Sometimes it bounces right back in. That's super bullish if it does that, but it did not. It had a massive heart attack, and it dumped right back, right? If you bought right here again, you did pretty well for yourself. So I'm telling you guys, just a few more days right there. 1925 was where the target is. It trades above the 20-day moving average. We can see a nice bullish run come into Palantir. I'm very bullish on this stock. I think this stock will start taking off in the next few days. So build your position and be ready for Palantir.
Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you guys when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. Sometimes I post certain buys and sells for specific stock. So come check me out over there if you want specific information. Sometimes I post information about the market as well there. So come check out my Instagram page. Leave a comment below the bottom right here. Let me know what other questions you might have, or if you have a specific video you want me to do, stock, and you want me to do a video on that stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to check that out, and I might just put it in my next video for you. Also, guys, come and check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come join us. If you need a really good mentor, I'd be happy to be there for you and help you along the way. Come and trade properly, make a good return overall, and avoid this messy market going on right now. We are in a crazy bearish market territory coming up. I do not think the market is going to go up very high because the government is about to increase interest rates around after March. It is a very scary time up ahead, and I want you guys to be very well planned before the market goes to poop. So come and check out my Patreon page. All that can be found in the link in the description box below. Right now, make sure you do not miss out your chance on getting 2 free stocks from WeBull. All you gotta do is check out the link in the description box below and sign up, use their platform, and they give you a free stock just for signing up. And if you make just $5 deposit, WeBull will give you a second stock for free, valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. It is an insane reward you could be making. Don't pass up on it. If you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade. That one gives pretty decent stocks as well. And finally, we have Robinhood, which also gives out pretty decent stocks here and there as well. Thank you for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.